Welcome back to Cruising with the Wild Herons. So she's been up on the hard at TJ's boatyard. Getting the bottom painted, as you can see, was really needed. The hull has also been waxed and buffed and is real shiny now. So she's looking pretty good. We're just trying to get a few more things done before we can splash her back in the water. The zincs are going to need to be replaced. They help to protect anything metal from corrosion. We wanted to move the dinghy from the top of the boat to the aft of the boat, so we're having a Dinghy Butler installed. This is our dinghy. It's a 12-foot New Verania. Tad and I had to do some work on it. It needs some inflation in the tubes, and we had to clean it, and it was all full of water, so we had to pump it out with a hand pump. It was taking so long that Tad actually got out the wet vac to do it, but we didn't film that part. I think we actually pumped out somewhere around 4 gallons of water from various compartments in the boat. A nice neighborly man came by and actually talked my ear off, which is what kept me from doing any further filming. We decided after we were all done we better cover her up so she wouldn't fill up with water again. We do have to have some work done on the engine, but not sure what that's going to entail yet. Putting the cover on is a little bit tricky, and it probably would have gone a lot faster and easier had I put the camera down and helped Tad. The dinghy has its own anchor, and the anchor locker where we found it was so filthy and muddy and moldy, but it's still in good shape, so we're just going to clean her up. As soon as this dinghy davit is fully installed, we will be done with all the work at TJ's and be ready to get her back in the water. Stay tuned for more Cruising with the Wild Herons. Don't forget to subscribe. Ciao.